Health promotion activities are increasingly common in workplaces, aiming to improve employee well being, reduce stress, and enhance productivity. These initiatives encourage employees to adopt healthier lifestyles, which can lead to a more positive and efficient work environment. Understanding how to discuss and participate in health promotion activities is important for building a healthier workplace culture. In the TOEIC test, you may encounter vocabulary and phrases related to health promotion. Here's an overview of this topic from various perspectives, using language suitable for CFR A1, A2 learners. 1. Introducing health promotion programs. Workplaces often introduce programs to support employee health. Phrases like, "Our company offers a health promotion program," "We encourage employees to participate in wellness activities," and "healthier employees mean a more productive workplace" are common. Words like wellness, program, and initiative help describe these efforts. 2. Organizing fitness activities. Many companies organize fitness activities to promote physical health. Phrases like, "We have a weekly yoga class in the office," "There's a lunchtime walking group," and "The company gym is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m." are useful for discussing such programs. Understanding terms like exercise, workout, and fitness goals helps in participating effectively. 3. Providing healthy food options. Promoting healthy eating is another key focus of health programs. Phrases like, "The cafeteria now offers more vegetarian options," "We've added fresh fruit to the snack bar," and "Healthy eating is part of our wellness program" are frequently used. Words like nutrition, balanced diet, and healthy choices emphasize the importance of food in well-being. 4. Encouraging mental health support. Mental health is an important part of overall wellness. Phrases like, "We offer counseling services for employees," "Join our mindfulness sessions every Thursday," and "Stress management workshops are available this month" highlight mental health initiatives. Terms like stress relief, mental well-being, and mindfulness are commonly associated with these programs. 5. Promoting preventive health measures. Encouraging employees to take preventive health measures is a proactive approach. Phrases like, "Get your annual flu shot at the office clinic," "Regular health checkups are covered by the company," and "Preventive care helps you stay healthy" are useful. Words like vaccination, screening, and prevention play a key role in this context. 6. Offering flexible work arrangements. Flexible work arrangements contribute to better health by reducing stress and improving work-life balance. Phrases like, "We offer remote work options to reduce commuting stress," "Employees can choose flexible hours for a better balance," and "Take advantage of our work-from-home policy" support this idea. Terms like work-life balance, flexibility, and remote work are relevant. 7. Promoting participation in health campaigns. Many companies organize health campaigns to engage employees in wellness activities. Phrases like, "Join the 10,000 Steps a Day Challenge," "Participate in the company's health fair next week," and "Let's make this workplace a healthier one together" encourage involvement. Words like challenge, campaign, and participation inspire teamwork and motivation. 8. Using polite and encouraging language. Encouraging employees to join health programs requires polite and motivating communication. Phrases like, "We'd love for you to join our wellness program," "Taking care of your health is a priority," and "Thank you for participating in our health initiatives" ensure a positive tone. Politeness and encouragement make these programs more appealing. 9. Measuring the impact of health promotion. Evaluating the success of health programs helps improve them. Phrases like, "We've seen a decrease in sick days since the program began," "Employee feedback shows high satisfaction with the wellness activities," and "Regular participation in health programs leads to better productivity" highlight the benefits. Words like impact, improvement, and results are important in this context. Understanding these aspects of health promotion activities helps you engage with workplace wellness initiatives effectively. This knowledge is useful for TOEIC preparation and for building practical communication skills. Clear and positive communication about health promotion contributes to a more supportive and healthier work environment.